Hey friends, today's activity, you are going to be reading a poem called A Tiny Seed. And then we are going to be searching in that poem for consonant clusters at the beginning of words. So this is a tiny seed. Tiny seed planted just right, not a breath of air, not a ray of light. Rain falls slowly to and fro, and now the seed begins to grow, slowly reaching for the light with all its energy, all its might. The little seed's work is almost done to grow up tall and face the sun. And now we're going to be great detectives, and we are going to be searching for those consonant clusters at the beginning of the words. So I see one right here, PL, and then you just click it. And then we're going to go through and you're going to search and see, is that one a consonant cluster? Nope, so we're not going to click that one. Only click on the ones that are consonant clusters at the beginning of words. When you're done, don't forget to click the blue button to turn it into your teacher.